Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, then I'm Vipra Patil and I make videos related beauty, fashion and lifestyle. It's so good to be back on my channel. I'm creating a full makeup tutorial like after ages as I was treating my acne issues as they had just gone worst. I had to undergo a proper dermat treatment. So didn't really tried any new makeup or skincare products, but I was creating some really fun fashion content on my Instagram. You would know if you follow me there. You can see my acne scars and blemishes. I'm still taking the medical attention for the same. So I'm using all my regular makeup products here, which I had used in my previous ones. So, starting with this Versali liquid glass, I absolutely love this product. I don't use this on regular basis. I only apply this before my makeup and trust me, the serums gives your skin a complete hydration and required glow. It also helps your makeup to sit beautifully. Followed by packed pore primer, just a little bit to smoothen out area of my nose, chin and forehead. This minimizes the pores and also I'm just going over my lids so it shall help the makeup stay long and avoid the creasing. Now I'm going with the correctors. Both are from LA Girl. Starting with the orange corrector for my under eyes that needs extra coverage and taking some on my lids as well as I have prominent dark lids. And also today's makeup has focus on eyes as well. Then going around my lips area and nose area. Green corrector to cover my acne marks. So spotting on the areas to be covered. Just spraying the little water primer by Colorbar. Now blending out everything evenly. Just for your knowledge, do not drag the brush while blending. Just start dabbing and this will give you a flawless application of your product. Now going in with the concealer in the shade Pure Beige from LA Girl to even out the base, and then followed by my favorite foundation from Smashbox. It's called Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydration Foundation. You must have watched my earlier videos and must notice the same by now that I have repeated this foundation almost many times. I'm in the shade 2.35. I'm dotting it on my entire face and neck area and then blending it over with a damp beauty blender. Just take time here in blending and make sure that you're blending everything evenly. Dusting some loose powder on the eyelids and under eye area to avoid creasing. The setting powder that I'm using here is by Natio. Now coming to the eyes, started lining the lash line and gradually thickening the line. Pencil used is by Sugar. It's the shade 02, still got the blues. It's a beautiful navy blue shade. Smudging out the shade on the eyelids and repeating the same steps on the other eye. Now I'm gonna use these two shades from my Makeup Revolution X Spectra palette, picking up the dark blue shade first on the flat brush and dabbing all over the eyelids. Going little over the crease line. Repeat the same technique on the another eye. Now picking up the light blue shade on a fluffy brush, start blending in the crease area. Now picking up a soft brown shade and blending in these two shades to add that gradient and taking off any harsh edges. I'm lining the upper waterline to fill in the gaps between the lashes, lining the lower waterline and smudging the shade till 3/4 of the line. With the same shade used on the upper eyelids, I'm applying it on the lower lash line as well to bring out the smoky effect. And now I'm using the NYX concealer just a little bit under my under eye area and high points of my face just to sharpen them, and once again going with my beauty blender to ensure everything is evenly blended. Setting the loose powder once again one last time on the areas that tend to get little oily. Using the bronzer from Shiseido to my usual areas where I need shadows onto my cheekbones, jawline, forehead and bridge of my nose. Applying blush from MAC, it's called Melba. It's a beautiful neutral neutral shade. It's like more of little brownie undertones. Using one of my favorite highlighter, it's Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone, to highlight my brow bone and inner corners of the eyes. And I'm also highlighting my high points of the face. Those are like the cheeks, temples, bridge of my nose, and the cupid's bow. Coming back to complete my eye look, I'm going on with some falsies, of course, for the drama. Showing you this magnetic lash kit that comes with a tweezer, lash glue as a black liner, and with so many variations for the lashes. I picked up this from Amazon for just $1,000. Simply just line the lines with this liner and wait for a minute or so to dry, and later the lashes has the magnetic strands in between that easily sticks on this. Meanwhile the glue is drying, I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm using this Wet n Wild brow pencil. I'm just filling the gaps to make it look fuller and give it upward strokes for that feathery look. This is the first time I'm trying putting the lashes on the camera. This kit does make the falsies game easy compared to another falsies, that normal ones. I still struggle though. It's always so difficult for me when it comes to falsies, but I so love adding them, and especially when the look is so dramatic, it just take the eye game step higher. Okay, so the falsies are done. Now I'm using my Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara, basically on the lower lash, and just some of them just giving us strokes for the upward lashes as well. And finally, this steps completes the look. Applying L'Oreal Paris liquid lipstick from the Infallible range. It's called Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 352 Shakedown. This is not really my kind of shade. I didn't really bought this. I received it as a complimentary long back with one of my purchase on Nykaa. And that's my finished look. This look is something out of my comfort zone, really. I'm not really a dramatic look person, but this lipstick shade had that vibe, and also I was filming a tutorial after so long, so went with this complete matte glam look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please do give it a like and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever my new video is live. Okay, so till then, take care, bye, and stay gorgeous.